The next thing we want to do is add a menu and customize the menu. So before that though, we want to actually update this page because the changes we've made are saved, but they're not updated. So let's just click the update page for the home page that we were editing last time. Now, before we create a menu, let's just go back to our pages and see quickly what pages we might be adding. And we'll be adding more later, but right now I'm just going to add a new page and I'm just going to call this contact. And so I'm not going to edit it. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to make sure that the permalink is what I want it. And this, again, can be changed later, but ebenerdesigns.com/content is good. So I'm just going to hit publish. Now this page can't really be seen from our own website yet because there's nowhere if someone actually went to our website to get to it, unless they actually typed in this entire URL or somehow got to that URL. So now I'm going to add a page, and there's lots of different ways to add a page. So you can click here, add page, click here, add new, or from the new button, add page. And let's just add a about page. Okay, so wait for it to load the permalink and then click publish. Okay, so that's enough pages for our menu. So now let's go under appearance, menus. So first we want to create a new menu. So let's give our menu a name. We'll just call this top menu and say create menu. Okay, so now we need to add pages to the menu. Over here on the left, we have all of the options for what we can add to the top menu. Here we have our pages. If you had different posts, which we have our sample posts, you can add posts to the menu. Say you only have a few posts and you really want them to be accessible from the main menu, you can add that, or even custom links. So let me add the home, blog, contact, and about page. I'm just going to click add to menu. So now if I click save menu, and I actually have to now show this display location, put it as primary menu, and click save. Now if I refresh my home page, and now I can just go straight to ebenerdesigns.com actually, and it will appear. We have our top menu. And you can see the order of the pages: about, contact, blog, home, from left to right. We probably want to switch up this order, so we want to move home up. So let's just move home up. And then let's put about second, blog third, and contact fourth. Save the menu, refresh, and now we have that menu looking really good. Say we want to add a sub menu, meaning we hover over a link and a few more options pop up. What we can do is put any of these as a sub menu by just dragging, and you can see that there's two different spots I can drag it to. One is the top menu or the top option, or if I drag to the right a little bit, there's a spot where I can drop it as a sub item. So now if I save this and say I put this like so, these two blog and about under home, and save this menu and refresh, now home has a sub menu. Okay. So you might not want that for this particular option, but say you have some actual pages or sub pages that you would want to put there, but say you do have some sub pages you want to put under one of these top menus, that's how you would do it. Now let me just show you how to add a custom link, which might be something you want. Say I want to also send people back to my YouTube channel, for example. So say I created a YouTube channel, and right now I'm just going to send it to Video School Online's YouTube channel. I can put the URL there, and then the link, I can type in whatever I want to show up as the link. I'll just put YouTube or maybe videos, and then add to menu. And now I can put this and save menu. And if I refresh, now we have our top menu and we have this video option. So that's how you add a custom link to your menu. And then if I just want to get rid of these links, I can go ahead and do that by clicking down on this arrow for any of these links and saying remove. So let's save that menu one more time and refresh. Now we have our home top menu. So let's talk about the colors though, because this is an option in our customized settings. To change the color of our top menu right here, go to your customized settings. Under sparkling options, header, we have our top navigation item color right here. This is the link color. So we're going to click select color, and we maybe want it to be a white or a light gray rather than that red. And so let's just choose white and then save and publish. And now these appear as white. If we want to change the hover color, we can go down to top navigation, item hover color, and say we want it to be orange. Now, if we hover over it, it becomes orange, and the page we're on becomes orange too. So that might be a little bit more in line with the brown text color that we're using for our titles. So let's just save and publish. And that's how we actually add and edit our menu. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.